Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an investor in the cryptocurrency market, you know how volatile it can be. But with the right tips and strategies, you can maximize your investments and make the most out of this exciting opportunity. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the best ways to do just that. So stick around and let's get started. Before we dive in, let's talk about why cryptocurrency is worth investing in. Over the last decade, the cryptocurrency market has grown exponentially, and it shows no signs of slowing down. With Bitcoin hitting all-time highs and altcoins gaining traction, it's a great time to invest. But as with any investment, there are risks involved. That's why it's important to have a solid plan in place to maximize your returns. First, let's talk about diversification. Investing in just one cryptocurrency can be risky, as any fluctuations in that one coin can have a significant impact on your portfolio. By diversifying your investments across multiple coins, you can reduce your risk and potentially increase your returns. But how do you choose which coins to invest in? Do your research, analyze market trends, and consider the long-term potential of each coin. Another important tip is to stay up to date with market news and developments. Follow industry experts and news outlets to stay informed on the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market. This can help you make informed decisions about when to buy and sell your coins. You should also consider taking advantage of dollar-cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money into a cryptocurrency at regular intervals, regardless of the current market price. This can help you avoid the temptation to make impulsive investment decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn high returns. But it's important to have a solid plan in place to maximize your investments and minimize your risks. By following the tips and strategies we've discussed in this video, you can make the most out of your cryptocurrency investments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.